Want to create mind-blowing videos with AI? I've got a link that will get you into Sora 2 right now. I'm going to tell you all about it, and then I'll give you the link so you can get access. OpenAI Sora 2 is a cutting-edge text-to-video model generating realistic and creative videos from simple prompts. This successor boasts significant improvements in realism, control, and social features, making it highly exclusive. So, what is Sora 2? It's OpenAI's latest AI video generation model, building upon the original Sora with enhanced capabilities. Sora 2 offers more realistic physics, higher resolution, better fidelity, and synchronized dialogue, pushing AI video boundaries. It includes a cameo feature, allowing users to insert themselves into videos, and it's a foundation for AI that understands reality. The technology behind Sora 2 leverages sophisticated diffusion models and transformer technology for its groundbreaking results. To get an invitation, follow official OpenAI channels. Join the waitlist on the Sora website or through the iOS app. OpenAI prioritizes Sora 1 Power users, ChatGPT Pro subscribers, and Then Plus and Team Plan users who receive push notifications. The Sora iOS app has launched in the US and Canada, with wider expansion planned. Downloading the app and enabling notifications is crucial. API access for developers is coming soon, enabling integration into third-party tools, and the Red Team program offers early access. Beyond official channels, the OpenAI Discord server can be a source for potential invite codes in the Sora 2 channel, but these expire quickly. You can also search for invite codes on social media like X and Reddit or Ask Friends, as each Sora 2 user receives 4 codes to share. Actively participate in AI communities, attend OpenAI workshops, and connect with existing Sora 2 users to increase your chances. If you're outside the US and Canada, a VPN might help access Sora 2, but always check local regulations. While waiting, explore alternative AI video generators like Runway Gen 4, Luma Dream Machine, Pico Labs, or Deep Brain AI. That's everything you need to know. Subscribe for more updates on Sora 2 and other AI tools. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link I'm showing on screen and get an invite code.